Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of idiom. Today we are going to see some idiom related to sports. Before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you liked the content and share it with your friends too. Let's begin. The first one is drop the ball. So its meaning is to make a mistake or fail to do something that was expected. So with this idiom, a sentence that would match is, I'm sorry, I missed the deadline. I really dropped the ball on this one. So this is an example, and let's see what is the origin of this particular idiom. I believe this drop the ball came from basketball or football games or sports where the missing of the ball or dropping the ball means missing an opportunity that's been given to any participant or anybody. Let's see the next idiom, that is throw in the towel. Throw in the towel means to give up or to admit the defeat. Sentence with this idiom would be, after several failed attempts, he finally threw in the towel and decided to seek professional help. This idiom, throw in the towel, came from the game boxing, where when the fighter's corner throws the towel into the ring, the participant is or the fighter is no longer able to continue. So we can say he has to admit the defeat. So that's the origin of this particular idiom. Next one is call the shots. It means to make the important decisions or lead. Example is, in the new project, Jessica will be calling the shots. Origin of this one would be, origin of call the shots idiom is from various games where strategies and decision making has to be done, and based on these the game's output is decided. So that is why we call this as call the shots idioms. Next one is, next idiom is on the ball. It means to be alert and aware of what is happening. Example would be, she was really on the ball during the meeting, catching every detail and asking relevant questions. Origin of this particular idiom would be from the game soccer or baseball, where being on the ball means focused and quick, totally towards the game, and that's what the origin of on the ball idiom is. Next one is under the wire. It means to complete something just in time or at least at the last possible moment. So a sentence with this would be, she submitted her application just under the wire before the deadline. Idiom came into usage from the game horse racing, where the horse crosses the wire and finishes the game, and it goes to finishes the game usually at the last moment. So this origin of this particular idiom is from the horse racing game. Hope you liked this video of sports idioms. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And do give your valuable feedback in the comment section also. Thank you for watching.